So I'm on my way down to the unit. Hopefully I'm going to fire the bike up and give it a quick spin around the industrial estate, which would be nice. I videoed, this is going to probably be tagged on the end of or on the front of it, but I videoed some footage of getting the bike ready to run, and some of the footage was okay, but then when I looked at some of the last piece of footage, one I did a time lapse and I had the wrong setting on the camera, so it was photo time lapse, so I ended up with 998 blooming photos on my card, and then instead of a video time lapse, and then the last video I did, which was, well, the last clip should I say, corrupted. I've never had that happen before. Corrupted up. I still had the sound, but halfway through like the video footage of that clip, I end up freezing with a stupid face like this halfway mid-sentence. Well, what do you do? So what was going to be 2 videos is probably going to turn into 1, because there's not really enough footage for the last video, which is this one. Might as well just tag it onto the next one. So hopefully I'll get to run it, get to whiz it around the industrial estate there. I'll stick a camera on the bike, I'll stick a camera on my helmet, and then I've also dug out my audio recorder so you can hear me chatting crap in my helmet, going, oh, it's not working properly. It's a nice sunny day though, cold, a bit damp, that'll dry out. But yeah, see you in a bit. successful test ride, which is great. Quite pleased about that. No oil leaks or anything. Nothing fell off. It's a bit fluffy on the carbs. Needs a balance up to get that tick over and everything nice. It's sort of spitting back a little bit, which I'm kind of used to with the old flatties on pod filters. I think it's a little bit rich on the needle, because you kind of got to tickle it through that mid-range, but it's smooth on up till 3 grand. It's smooth for that sort of general riding. High end seems pretty good too on that mains, but I think it either needs a slightly bigger main and then leaning off the needle, or richening off the needle. I don't know. The plugs don't look too bad. So yeah, it's pulling on all 4. It certainly has got a bit of go behind it now. It had go before, it just didn't have any refinement. So I'm quite happy with that now. It gives me something to just tinker with, but I don't have any problems, that's the main thing. So I can carry on and I can get that running a bit smoother and clean up the rest of the bike and tidy some stuff up, you know. Get the paint done, all that sort of cosmetic stuff really. Quite happy, no problems. Seems to take a lot of warming up, but once I'd given it a few squirts, it sort of cleaned up and just blew out some crap. I could see on that rear facing camera that it chucked a bit of smoke out just while it cleared its guts, because obviously I've been starting it up in the unit and it's been over fueling and probably carboning up a little bit around the plugs and everything. So, you know, once you nurture it through that and just blow the cobwebs out, so to speak, it was running quite nice, to be fair. So yeah, not bad. Some improvements to be done, but we're on the right path, which is great. Like I usually say, hit the like and subscribe, hit the bell button, share it, do whatever you want, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.